Revision worksheet 9 for class 9th. The question number 1 is determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 is a factor. There are 4 polynomials and which one has a x plus 1 as a factor. It means the remainder equal to 0 when be divided by x plus 1. If x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial, it means the polynomial value when x equal to minus 1 equal to 0. If x plus 1 is a factor of the given polynomial, therefore p minus 1 equal to 0. Now check in the polynomial p minus 1. Put the value of x minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Cancel 0. It means yes, x plus 1 is a factor of given polynomial. Factor of the polynomial. Next, second check. Same here. X equal to minus 1. Minus 1 raised to power 4. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 raised to power 4 is 1. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Now solve, we get 1. No, x plus 1 is not a factor. Not a factor of given polynomial. Third one. Now check in this. Third is x raised to power 4. Just put x equal to minus 1. Minus 1 raised to power 4 is 1. Minus 1 into 3 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1 plus 1. Answer is 1. Therefore, no. X plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. Okay, fourth one. Next, x cube yani minus 1. Minus 1 raised to power whole cube minus 1 square minus 2 plus root 2 into minus 1 and plus root 2. Now solve. Minus 1 cube is minus 1, 1 minus 1 and minus minus plus. So we get 2 plus root 2 and root 2. Minus और ये माइनस, दोनों माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, प्लस का इंटू करेंगे तो 2 प्लस रूट 2. माइनस 1 इज माइनस 2 प्लस 2 प्लस 2 रूट 2. कैंसिल. द रिमाइंडर इज 2 रूट 2. देयरफॉर नो, x plus 1 is not a factor of given polynomial. Okay. The question number 2. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which P, Q, R and S are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD and DA. AC is a diagonal. Show that SR parallel to AC, SR equal to half of AC. Next, PQ equal to SR and third PQRS is a parallelogram. Draw ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a quadrilateral. and PQRS are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD and AD. Okay, first prove SR parallel to AC. Now join AC and SR. First part is this: SR parallel to AC and SR equal to half of AC. Okay, now first in triangle ADC, just I am writing a proof. ADC. Okay, S and R are the midpoints of S is AD and CD respectively. Okay, therefore SR equal parallel to AC and SR equal to half of AC by midpoint theorem. मिडपॉइंट थ्योरम कहती है कि मिड पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करने वाली लाइन हमेशा ट्रायंगल के बेस के पैरेलल होती है और उसके हाफ के इक्वल होती है. सेकेंड पार्ट इज PQ इक्वल टू RS. ओके, PQ इक्वल टू RS. ओके, PQ इक्वल टू RS. तो सेकेंड पार्ट इन ट्रायंगल ABC. ओके, दिस इज द फर्स्ट. इस इक्वेशन को हम लोग लिखेंगे 1. P and Q are the midpoints of sides AB and BC respectively. Therefore PQ equal to half of AC and PQ parallel to AC. This is the equation number 2 by midpoint theorem. Okay, from 1 and 2, we can say PQ equal to half of AC and RS equal to half of AC. Therefore PQ equal to RS. SR is equal to half of AC and PQ is also half of AC. Therefore, and the third one, prove that PQRS is a parallelogram. Join PQRS from 1 and 2. Okay, PQ equal to SR and PQ parallel to SR. क्योंकि PQ parallel to AC है and SR is also parallel to AC. Therefore PQ parallel to SR. Therefore PQRS is a parallelogram. Is a parallelogram. Hence proved. In the starting you will write ABCD is a quadrilateral in which PQRS are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD and AD. Okay. The question number 3 from the chapter circle. Prove that a cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. Cyclic parallelogram is a rectangle. Cyclic parallelogram means a parallelogram in a circle. Suppose this is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. So whose opposite sides are equal and parallel. Join diagonal. Okay, join diagonal. Diagonals bisect each other. Oh, it means if the diagonals bisect each other means this equal to this, O equal to OC and OB equal to OD. Therefore O is the center of circle because OA, OC are the radii, OB, OD all are radii. Therefore O is the center. write ABCD is a cyclic parallelogram. The properties of cyclic parallelogram, therefore angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D. The reason is opposite angles of parallelogram are always equal to each other. Opposite angles of parallelogram. And the next, angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degree. And angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degree. These are the reason opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral, cyclic parallelogram or the cyclic quadrilateral. If A equal to C and A plus C equal to 180 degree, therefore angle A plus angle A equal to 180 degree. Angle A equal to 90 degree. Angle A equal to angle C equal to 90 degree. Similarly, angle B equal to angle D equal to 90 degree. Therefore, ABCD is a rectangle. Because opposite sides are equal and parallel and all angles are equal to 90 degree, therefore it is a rectangle. Question number 4. Can an angle of 42.5 degree be constructed? 42.5 degree, just we double it, so we get 85 degree. No, it is not constructed because the multiple of 15 can be constructed. Okay, 42.5 degree angle cannot be constructed. Okay, next question number 6. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? Okay, रिवर इज 3 मीटर डीप, यानी डीप को हम लोग हाइट लेते हैं. 40 मीटर वाइड यानी ब्रेथ इज 40 मीटर. फ्लोइंग एट द स्पीड ऑफ 2 किलोमीटर पर आवर. इट मीन्स 2000 मीटर पर 60 मिनट्स. 2000 meter per hour, and we can write 2000 by 60 meter per minute. It means 100 by 3 meter per minute. It means 1 minute में वाटर कितना फ्लो करता है, यानी हम लोग लेंथ हो जाएगी 100 by 3 meter. In a minute water flows 100 by 3 meter. How much water fall into the sea in a minute? यानी volume of water. Is length into breadth into height. Length is 100 by 3. Breadth is 40 and 3 cancel. 4000 meter cube. Okay, 4000 meter cube. यानी 4000 kiloliter. The question number 6. 11 bags of wheat flour, each marked 5 kg actual, contain the following weight of flour in kg: 4.97, 5.05, 5.08, 5.03, 5, 5.06, 5.08, 4.98, 5.04, 5.07, 5. Find the probability that any of these bags chosen at random contains more than 5 kg of flour. Total number of bags are 11 And how many bags has more than 5 kg of flour? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, the favorable outcome 7 and total 11. The number of bags contain more than 5 kg flour equal to 7, and total number of bags equal to 11. Therefore, the probability of bags having more than 5 kg weight 7 by 11.